Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be organizing my fidget box. So I made a new fidget box. It was a macaroni box. I got new fidgets yesterday, so let's get all my fidgets out. Got all my fidgets out. Now it's time to organize them in piles. So poppets go in the piles, clay, slime, squishies, and Rubik's cubes, fidget spinners, and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, I'm done, and now I'm gonna put my poppets in with you guys. So first, I'm gonna put my square poppets right there. No, wait, maybe I should put my keyboard first, and then my square poppets, and I'll gather all my circle poppets. Ice cream puppet goes first, and then unicorns, and then I'll put the ice cream there, and my unicorns, these ones go about right there. These circle poppets will go there. I'm just making a pile of poppets right now that I don't really use at school. Bunny poppet will go on top of circle. And then these two puppets will go right. So that's my poppets section. Time to do squishies. Putty, because let's just do putty first. I have orange, green, and blue, because my brother stole two of them. That was black and white. So, can you see them? That's the corner they're going to be in. Then I put my squishies in. Yes, I don't have enough room, so I might start stacking them. Okay, done all the squishies. They're scattered like everywhere. Time for the puzzle fidgets. That is this thing, these two, and so I'll be back when I'm done. I'm putting my puzzle fidgets at the top because they really help me. And I'm done with the puzzle fidgets, I think. Yes, I am. So time to put the random fidgets that didn't go in any of their piles, and that's just these two. So, and my pop tube goes there. Okay, I'll show you guys. So yeah, more videos are coming to me later. So bye guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit that post notification notification, so bye.